We innovate with unique, unparalleled interactive dramatizations.
Animal Hero Kids is all about empowering these youth and letting them know that there are many other kids just like them around the world who are speaking out and acting for animals.
We create, inspire with original books and films.
Hatched a great idea with my good friend Ron. Let's ask our school to help animals and have fun.
The Heart Whisperer documentary film, created by iconic Earthlings filmmaker Sean Monson, screened in universities and film festivals around the world, winning 12 awards. The characters from the Veganza Animal Heroes book series came alive in music videos, interactive presentations, and vegan food actions. Powerful voices participated in the Veganza claymation film. And Animal Hero-tober events take place all over the world.
To commemorate Animal Hero-tober this month, the Be an Animal Hero organization is spreading the word on how people can be kind to animals. Susan Hargreaves spoke to the Palm Beach Rotary Club today about saving animals, and she says you can do this. You can rescue an animal at a kill shelter. But her main campaign encourages people to eat more plants instead of meat.
Vegans actually save an acre of trees per year.
4.4 million people viewed the Animal Hero-tober billboard.
Animal Hero.
In Los Angeles, the Be an Animal Hero Awards were held at the first plant-based school in the United States, and the entire school enjoyed vegan pizza. In Ukraine, the Lviv Vegan Kitchen continued to feed thousands of vegan meals, including a special Halloween nod to an Animal Hero-tober. In Ireland and the United Kingdom, Kids Kitchen Takeover. Plant-based cooking demos were held by author Oliver McCabe. Students of all ages participated. We activate.
People silently walk to place flowers by a tombstone outside of the Miami Sequarium. Animal rights activists and Miamians gathered to honor Lolita, who lived in captivity for 53 years here at the Sequarium.
The time for taking wildlife and jailing them for money is way past.
I've seen firsthand the result of pet stores selling live animals to people. They're not its. They're living, breathing animals who can suffer.
We empower.
Cause she's the animal hero, Veganza. Veganza. She's Veganza, yup, she's Veganza.
We collaborate.
Yup, it's Veganza. 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 Veganza, yup, she's Veganza.
Now join us and support our unique innovations.
Yeah. Veganza, yup, it's Veganza. And every animal crying out for help should hear those. Cause she's the animal hero,